Hello everybody, AJ Ryzik here, and I've got a quick little video for those who've been asking about my desktop theming. I've gotten a lot of questions the past couple of weeks about my icon theme and GTK theme, all that kind of stuff, so I figured I'd just do a video on it. Uh, and I've got the Gnome tweak tool open right here, just so I can show you what I've got set up. For my GTK theme, I'm using what's called Window 10 Lite. Icon theme is called Masala. Cursor and shell theme are the default themes. Now, if you are on a Ubuntu based distribution, you can go to Noobs Lab. If you're, and let me go and pull it up here. And they have a variety of themes that are set up in PPAs. So all you need to do is go and add the PPA. You can download it. It'll always keep that theme updated, all that kind of good stuff. So let's just say, for example, we're here on the themes list. We wanted to install this paper GTK theme. We could come in here, and if you scroll down, just open up your terminal. I will go ahead and install it just so I can demonstrate it. Okay, so we're going to add this PPA. Update all of our PPA cache. We'll install the paper theme. And now we'll install the paper icon theme. Okay, that's all installed. So let me close up terminal. And so now, let me go and close the tweak tool and we'll reopen it. Okay, so now we could go and there's that paper theme, and then same thing with our icon set. Boom. That's how easy it is. Now I'm going to go back to my default themes. Now, if you are not on a Ubuntu based distribution, or perhaps there is a theme that you want to install and is not available on Noobs Lab, you're going to need to install it manually. Now, the best place to get the themes I've found is called Gnome Look. And now we'll go to Gnome Look. And so from here, you would go and, once again, scroll through, find whatever theme you want, whether it is an icon theme, whether it is the GTK3 theme, go and download it. And you're going to need to install manually. So what you'll do, open up your file manager, make sure that you can view hidden files. So you can see where I've got it checked, show hidden files. Now you're going to, on your home in your home folder, you're going to have a hidden folder called .icons and one called .themes. Now, if you've never, if you haven't previously installed themes manually, you're probably not going to have those folders by default. And as you can see, kind of looking through mine here, I don't have them by default. So we'll have to create a new folder. We'll call it .themes, and then you'd also do one that says .icons. And then after downloading that theme, you would just place the theme in here. Boom, you're ready to go. And essentially that's it. If you're not, if you've never installed themes, it's really not that hard. Fairly easy to do. I've also had a few questions about the various indicators, applets, that sort of thing that I've got set up on my desktop, so I'll just do a quick run through. I've got the places indicator added to my GNOME desktop, so if you click on that, it'll give you quick links to all of your favorite folders, as well as I've got my Google Drive synced down here, and then you got quick access to your network folders, that sort of thing. So anyway, got that going on, and then of course here is just whatever open the current open window is. Of course, the date is by default. I've got the weather extension added to the Gnome shell, so and it's set up for my local weather. So I've got quick access to that. And then moving on over, I use caffeine a lot. It's really helpful when I am doing videos and that sort of thing. Essentially, what caffeine does is when it's activated, it prevents your screensaver from kicking in. So I've got that set up, and then I've got indicators for both number locks and caps locks. When you're doing a lot of writing and whatnot, that's kind of helpful. You don't have to remember, oh geez, did I hit caps lock or not? You know, you don't have to worry about that. It's right there in front of you. Uh, this little icon right here, I've been testing Nihilus N1 email, and it just popped up over here. There's just kind of a quick view of it. I'm going to do a full review, hopefully get it done this week. Um, there's a lot that I like about it, and a few things that I wasn't quite too happy about. So I'll talk all about that in my review that's coming up. So there's that Dropbox indicator, and then that's for simple screen recorder, which I'm running right now, and then of course the system tray over here. And that's essentially it. I don't use a ton of extensions. I use some, but not a ton of GNOME extensions. And that's pretty much it. As always, leave comments, questions, all that kind of stuff down below. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thanks a lot.